Hi, it's Porsche Centre Dublin. In stock and available for January 21 delivery, this brand new Porsche 911 Carrera S. This Carrera S is finished in Crayon special paint with a mixture of 20 and 21 inch sport design wheels finished in gloss black. .911 is further complemented by full extended black leather with a crayon stitching throughout to match the exterior paintwork. Uprated sport seats with hardback, PDK transmission, heated front seats, sport design steering wheel with mode switch, including sport chrono package, electric glass sunroof. The seat belt is also finished in a silver finish, again to complement the crayon exterior, so very nice looking. Privacy glass and a full sport design package complete the exterior, including side skirts and front and rear bumpers painted in body colour. Sports exhaust system in black. Should you wish to take a closer look at this vehicle, please contact Porsche Centre on 01 235 3375. Thank you.